See, now that's pretty cool. It's almost like you can make it into relax. That's a pretty good find. I don't really take this stuff with me. That is pretty cool. Look at that. I usually leave it right there, but I think that's pretty cool. That's where we just came down from. And that's the little hidden path. That's where we're going right now. Up, up, and away. So, there's a pretty good view from up top. You know, it's like a little hidden gem trail. Not many people walk. So if you want to be alone, it's a good one. You know? But it is definitely a little challenging. You know? But it's pretty cool. So you get to have a lot of fun. There's definitely a lot to explore up here. And then when you get to the top, you get to see that. Look at that. Now that's worth the walk. Look at that. Look at that. That's gorgeous. That is worth every second.